Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get Telegram link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get your Telegram link, first open up your Telegram app, guys. And after you open your Telegram, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left. And over here on this interface, tap on the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. And over here, guys, you can see your username option available for us just below your phone number. Tap on your username, and over here you will be able to set your username, which will also be your Telegram link. I have already created my usernames, guys, so I'll not be creating it again. But in your case, if you have not created it, make a Telegram username over here, which will also be a Telegram link. And after creating your Telegram username, guys, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of username interface will appear just below the phone number. Now in order to get your Telegram link, guys, tap and hold on the link over here, and username copied to clipboard will be shown to you, which means that, guys, your username has been copied or your link has been copied. Now you can send that link to anybody from your friend list to me like this, guys. Let's paste it and let's send it, and the moment they tap on that link, guys, a chat box, your profile view will open, and they will be able to chat with you on Telegram from over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to get your Telegram link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.